Well, Hanning's court case follows a string of recent prosecutions against men who worked at concentration camps. In 2011, former Nazi guard John Demjanjuk was sentenced to 5 years in prison. The 91-year-old was released after his appeal but died 10 months later. Last year, 95-year-old Oskar Groening, described as the bookkeeper of Auschwitz, was sentenced to 4 years for the deaths of 300,000 people. He's now free, pending an appeal ruling. A 95-year-old former SS medic, Hubert Zafka, is currently on trial for the murder of 3,700 people, but the case has been suspended twice on health grounds. Well, for more on this story, let's go to Cristophe Busch now in Belgium. He's a professor of Holocaust and Genocide Studies at the University of Amsterdam. Thank you very much for joining us. Thank you for your time. First things first, what message does today's conviction send?
Well, it is a very important message. The message that this kind of evil, this kind of forms of collective violence never shifts away, never is too old to bring these crimes for the courts. And I think it's very important also to see that it's a new approach since the 60s, since that very large Auschwitz trial we had in Frankfurt am Main, where it was very difficult to bring to sentence these kind of perpetrators who were very low-level perpetrators and who couldn't be proved that they were responsible for one or two specific murders in the camp. And now we have a new view on this form of collective violence and also a new appreciation by the German penal system.
So what are some of the difficulties then for prosecutors trying to get convictions in trials like this? I mean, what are some of the logistical difficulties when you consider it's 70 years after the event?
Well, the problem is, of course, that these persons, these perpetrators, were a cog in the machine of Auschwitz-Birkenau. And it's very difficult when your penal system works based on individual accountability. And since you're only responsible for a part of this complex machinery of collective violence, you need to recalibrate your justice system to bring to justice your part of the crimes. And I think, of course, 70 years after the crimes have been committed, it's very difficult to rely on victim accounts, to rely on other forms of testimony or other kinds of forms of proof. And it's really important because this is, of course, the last years we can bring these cogs in the machine of such a huge fabric of destruction for justice.
Okay, Cristophe Busch, thank you very much for your time, but we're having a little bit of difficulty hearing you, so I think we'll leave it there. Thank you very much.